Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a before and after video transition on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to copy and paste the video. Then I'm going to go to adjustments. Actually, I'm just going to go to filters, and for instance you want the after video to have like a filter or like a tint to it. Maybe like this one. I'm just going to select it and add it into your video. Then you're going to select the video here, go to mask and select split and split it this way. Actually, split it the other way, sorry. And then add a keyframe at the beginning and like kind of in the middle, I'm going to slide it to the right. And to add the like white line, go to like library and add in like a picture or a video of a white background. Select film strip and rotate it and make the line kind of like small. If you can like make it super small, that's great. Now select this first so you know where to put the keyframe, and then add a keyframe here and then go to the next frame and then move your line here. So it looks like there's like a line on like the filter, as you can see. You can like even move it to like disappear, I guess. Maybe not, but that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!